to guide you and give you more information about Traze. Traze is available in Google Play and the Apple App Store. Just search Traze Contact Tracing and download. If you haven't registered yet, you can watch our previous videos on how to register as an individual. If you have already registered but don't know what to do, here's an account tour just for you. First, log in with your username and password to bring you to your homepage. Don't worry, a pop-up helper will appear. On the top of your homepage is your Traze ID. The first button that says Traze Me will direct you to your own QR code. The second button is to trace other QR codes of establishments and more. You can always view this guide by tapping on the question mark icon. So let's start tracing. In order to be traced by others, tap on Traze Me. And this is your own unique QR code. You can trace establishments, transportation, barangays, hospitals, other individuals, and more with just a single touch. See? You have successfully scanned the QR code. You can always retrace your steps. Just tap on the Traze History icon and it will show you your history. Now, how will you know if you have had contact with someone with COVID-19? You will get a notification. Tap the notification icon. None? Well, it's better than to have one. Want to make changes in your profile? Tap on Profile where you can make your changes. Also, you can add other individuals here who don't have mobile phones. Just tap the plus symbol at the bottom right of the page and enter them as your neighbor or family member. Don't forget to save your changes. No internet connection? No worries. Traze works both online and offline. And we're done! Download Traze now on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Traze, to keep our nation protected.